Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Steam uninstalling games. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. If you're experiencing issues with Steam uninstalling games unexpectedly, you can try the following steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. So the first step would be ensure that you have enough free space on your hard drive to accommodate the games. Steam won't uninstall games if there isn't sufficient space. Another guide: open a Steam client, go to your library, and right-click on the game that's having issues. Go to the Local Files tab, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then just follow the prompts to run a compatibility checkup. Now this will check for and repair any corrupted game files. Another guide: close the Steam client, uninstall Steam from your PC, download the latest version of Steam from the official website, and reinstall it. After reinstalling, log into your Steam account and check if the issue persists. Another tip: right-click on the Steam shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This ensures that Steam has the necessary permissions. Another guide: your antivirus or firewall settings might be blocking Steam's access to game files. Check your antivirus or firewall settings and make sure Steam is allowed. Another tip: ensure that your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated drivers can sometimes cause issues with Steam. Another tip: move your entire Steam installation to a different directory on your PC. This can help if there are issues with the current installation path. Another tip: in the game's properties, under the General tab, uncheck the Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization for the game option. Now, some background processes or third-party software might interfere with Steam. Close unnecessary applications and try running Steam again. And if none of the above steps resolve the issue, it's recommended to contact Steam support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your situation. Remember to back up your game progress and important files before attempting major changes, such as reinstalling Steam. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.